Hi, I'm Sarah Lobkovich, an OKR activist, career fulfillment coach, and author. And I'm here to talk to you, the revolutionary leaders and thinky doers of the world. You have a vision for a better future, and you're not just dreaming about it, you're ready to make it happen. And clear, impact focused objectives and key results can help. But what you need is more than just buzz about OKRs. You need clear, actionable, step by step guidance to make OKR creation efficient and impactful. That's where traditional approaches to creating OKRs often fall short. They're big on the promise of OKRs, but lack the practical steps necessary to help you actually create and lead with OKRs with confidence. I believe every changemaker deserves OKR guidance that is not only sound in theory, but also effective and proven in practice. That's why I've created a workshop that teaches my approach to OKRs centered around human impact business results. This method is about organizational growth, but not just in the financial sense. It's also generative. No BS OKRs are about creating a culture of trust, safety, and continuous learning. An environment where we recognize that innovation and transformation don't happen without experimentation and even failure. So, what makes this workshop different? It's born from real challenges. I developed this approach that I'll teach you based on the challenges I personally faced, learning to lead and work with OKRs, and working with thousands of students and clients in hundreds of organizations, which makes it deeply effective and relatable. It's accessible. My method is designed to level the playing field for everyone who wants to create OKRs. I coach a simple step by step sequence. We have helpful formulas and literal worksheets to help every person efficiently and effectively create OKRs, no matter what your professional history or background. This is a highly participatory hybrid workshop with options for live and self paced asynchronous participation with an equally awesome experience. And if you want to, you can upgrade to my VIP package, which gives you access to individualized feedback on your OKRs from me, a one-on-one coaching session with me, and asynchronous chat Q&A during the course to make sure you get every single one of your questions answered. The approach you'll learn is also scientifically robust. It's informed by a blend of insights from motivation science, organizational behavior, and beyond, ensuring OKRs that are as innovative as they are effective. I am passionate about the transformative power of no BS OKRs. They're not just for setting goals, they're about changing the way we achieve them. With my unique approach, you won't just reach your goals, you'll do it in a way that's rewarding, impactful, and genuinely transformative. So, if you're ready to break free from frustrating, time consuming traditional methods of OKR creation and pave the way for real, meaningful change, I'm here to guide you every step of the way. Join me in my No BS OKRs workshop and learn how to efficiently set big, bold goals to increase your successfulness and satisfaction in your work. See you in class.